Welcome to Continental, everyone. I'm Yasmin, and today I look forward to looking behind the scenes with all of you right here in Korbach. So here in Korbach, there is a number of different production areas to be found for tubes and for tires. The area we're focusing on today is the one for hoses. And hoses have been produced here in Korbach as early as 1907. Today, we count an amazing 200,000 meters of hose being produced right here every single day, which makes this the largest plant in all of Europe. Here, both formed hoses as well as cut hose materials are produced, and that's for use in many different industries like the pharmaceutical or food or automotive or chemical industry, just to name some examples. As a matter of fact, Korbach is actually the plant best known for its diversity in size, shape, and color. Many different materials are used, and the hoses are made using so many different processes. So now, why don't we head on over to production to check out what's going on over there.
Here in the thread preparation, we process the yarns. Our process is to purchase raw yarn, which means straight yarn, with single filaments next to each other. We twist them and can then chemically process them again in the dip process, thereby achieving outstanding technical properties in the end product.
So many hoses are produced here for so many different applications, and that makes production not only complex, but also very wide-ranged. Naturally, that calls for a lot of space. All right, but now I would like to check out something else, the extruder.
The rubber compound in the extruder is conveyed forward by a screw. Imagine it like modeling clay that becomes soft when it is warmed. This soft rubber compound is then formed into the desired shape in the head and extruded onto a mandrel. Braiding is a process in which the reinforcing material is incorporated into the hose. This material can be aramid, polyamide, polyester, or natural fibers such as cotton. And it is the same with wire. It can be normal steel or stainless steel, which we braid here.
All right, so that's that. Next up is vulcanization.
Vulcanization is basically the most important step in the rubber industry, as this is where the plastic rubber compound changes into elastic rubber material. Bulk goods are then rolled into bundles. These are either partially or fully automated processes. If piece goods are produced, the tube is cut into set lengths. Here, too, we sometimes make use of picking robots that pack the hoses into bundles for shipping afterwards. The inspection is sometimes carried out using optical systems, and at many locations, we still pressure test the hoses as well.
And after all of this is done and through, the hoses are put to the ultimate test. Because here in Korbach, not only production is carried out, but also development and quality testing both happen right here in-house. So, let's have a look at that.
Alle unsere Werkstoffe müssen absolut hohen Anforderungen.
All of our materials must fully conform to high requirements. We conduct tests during development and production to achieve our quality made in Korbach. When production is complete, we put the product through its paces again in product testing. We don't have to contract externally, rather we can do everything ourselves here in Korbach and are therefore very quick in delivering our products. While we will have our own dedicated production line for hydrogen hoses in the future, we are already performing extensive testing of hose materials and hose connections in our product testing. So we're already on the safe and reliable side.
So sind wir da schon auf der sicheren Seite.
I think today has made very clear that Continental Korbach is investing in the future, big time. And there is still room left to create yet more modern production lines. For example, an in-house hydrogen line that is currently in the planning to help produce even more sustainable industrial solutions in the future to come. So be sure to stay tuned. Korbach has managed to develop the perfect formula for the best combination of innovation and passion in order to produce hoses for all sorts of applications, and all of these at the highest quality standards possible with a whole lot of team spirit. But that's all for now, everyone. Thank you so much for joining me on my behind-the-scenes tour here at Korbach at Show Me Your Plants, and I look forward to seeing you all very, very soon. Bye.